Okay, welcome back. It's tutorial 4, Mitered Box tutorial series, and this one's all about creating the top for the lid, and that's what we're going to do. So top for me is another component, so I'm going to go over to lid here, and I'm going to right click on it, and I'm going to make a new component, and I'm going to call this one top. Bonk, and push OK. And now the top automatically is made active because it assumes you just made it so you want to draw it, so it's active drawing. And now we are going to go and create a sketch, and the sketch we're going to create is on the top surface of this side, or one of the sides we made. I'll pick that one, doesn't matter really. And now it flips around, it's showing me that top surface. The one that I picked is blue, saying that's the one I highlighted. It's like light blue. And now what I'm going to do is create a sketch, or create a rectangle 2-point. So I'll create that. I'll go down here, see how it snaps because it's got that little box around it. Boom, snap to that corner, that's what we want. And then I go up here and wait a minute, it's not snapping. And I need it to snap. I could say, well, darn it, I'll just get close. Close isn't okay in CAD, it's got to be exact. So I'll show you how to fix that. So we're going to hit escape on our 2D rectangle, and we're going to go and we are going to, under create, select project. And project, well, what's happening right now is it's only recognizing the lines of the surface of the object that I originally selected to sketch on, but I'd like it to know about this over here. So when I hit project, I get this little menu over here that says select some geometry. I'm going to go in here and I'm going to pick, I can pick the whole surface and all the lines, or I can pick this line, but I'm just going to pick a dot right there. It's a point. Click, boink. It says you picked one thing to project. I say okay. Now I've got something that can be recognized by my 2D rectangle. So I should be able to snap here, nice blue box. I should be able to snap here, nice blue box. And then we just push escape to stop drawing rectangles. Okay. I now click on it, but notice when I want to extrude it next, but notice when I click on it, it ignores this part here because it's bounded by a line that it recognizes. So all I have to do to fix that is hold Shift, click on there, and now I've got both areas selected. Remember to hold Shift to select multiple things. E for extrude is the next one. I'm rotating or orbiting, and now I will pull up, and now I'm going to punch in the thickness. All of our box lids will be the same thickness because of how we make them. 0.25, which is a 1/4 inch. Push enter. It looks good. If I go up to lid and make that active, look, it looks perfect. Perfect. But if I click and hold on lid or top, here we go, top, oh, that's bad, right? Well, of course, it's not joined to anything yet, so we got to join that still. So we're going to add a joint symbol, just like we did before, a joint, capture position. Now what we're going to do is we're going to pick one of those pick points on this surface. Holding control helps you from coming off the surface. So I'm going to pick this pick point here, bonk. And then I'm going to match that up with the same surface I want it to go on, but holding control I can pick this outer one here. There we go, and just push OK. And voila! Now this is all one object. Okay, so there's your lid. It's all made, and surprisingly, we're going to be able to use the lid to help make the lid to help make the bottom, and that comes in the next set of tutorials, 5 through 9, making the bottom. All right, good job so far, and more to come.